crazy.
It's coming, Daddy.
I didn't take no pictures of it. Damn it.
I know, I barely got part of it.
He's throwing again.
He's swirling, you see?
You have to have a stomach for that.
Yeah, don't eat before you go in.
Yeah, you might want to think twice
He's
about that.
coming down.
Is that cool or what?
Yeah, I know like to go.
Oh, look at he's going low. Look
He
at.
gets real low.
I know.
Oh,
God.
I know.
oh look, there goes that.
Watch, look, he's coming right back up. Watch, he's gonna go right over the tree.
There
Look at him,
he
there he
is.
goes. Now he's spinning out right at the top of the tree. Look, Bill. Look at him. That is cool. He's coming right at us.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
Oh, it's on the bottom.
Going up now.
Look at.
Oh,
Oh, that was
did you
insane.
see that?
There's no way. That was
Oh my
insane.
gosh.
He's upside down.
It's like he shut the engine off.
But he's upside down right now.
Well, I know he's that, but I'm
Belly up.
talking about the top of that thing. He just looked like he shut the engine
Stalled it
off.
up.
Nah, dude. Like he stalled out. Right there. Look. He's doing the same thing.
Dang, look at it. What in the
That's
world?
not right, dude. Look at that. That is sick.
The crash.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, whoever he is good.
Wow.
He's coming up.
Hey,
Is he,
Mama, come
is he
closer over
done?
here, baby. I don't want somebody losing control of their
He's at the
car.
top of the tree.
Looking at the planes.
He's doing it over
Dude, he's
there.
doing it over there, dude. It's crazy. It's like he's shutting the plane off. Here he comes. Look, he's coming this way now. Low. Yeah, we kind of need to go and get that tree cut out of the way. Look at.
Is he
Watch, it's like he just
Look,
dies
it's just
plane
like,
out.
yeah.
But you hear it, so it's not.
Oh my god, look at it.
Is he gonna crash?
No, please don't say
Oh,
that.
don't say that, mama.
Is he gonna crash?
No, baby.
It's happened before.
Where is he?
Damn. You know what it reminds me of? Like the bike, the BMX bike stuff.
Right. Or
The skateboarders, too.
skateboarders.
Yes.
Down. Look, you can see him.
Like this dude, look, he just decided to stop in the middle of the road. Really, dude?
Oh, yeah.
He says, no stopping any time, but I'll just stop this time. Hey, dude, that plane's amazing. The engine in there. Well, that thing has to have a different composite for the skin. What it's doing is putting a lot of stress on that.
Look at.
That's bad. That's him working that engine.
You would have been doing
Who's to say he wasn't? That is so Alright, ladies, all three of you. Watch the soccer player where you can fly now.
Yeah.